Hey guys, so here's a Crest ceiling fan. I actually had this fan for a little while. If you didn't know it, it was in the garage for a while, but it was it replaced the Tipton in my grandma's TV room. The reason why they took this fan down is because the pull chain broke and the capacitor broke too. And it has no light kit because I took it off and now it's on the universal upstairs in my bedroom. And the reason why there's different blades on it is because I don't really know where I lost one of the original blades, so yeah. And I don't know where the switch cap is. I forget where I put it. So yeah, here it is. Sorry for the glare there, the light. And that's not wired up, the light switch. So it's got oak, cherry, and also this fan doesn't work on high. And medium's kind of like high. This top, it's from January 1992. And medium's kind of like the high, and low stalls out, goes like really slow on it. So put this back in the stand. Okay, here's low. It's noisy. It's gonna stall out probably. It goes really slow too. Okay, I just want to do this video quick because I don't want it to break. Here's medium. Sorry, this video is really quick. I'm gonna go turn off with the switch over there. Like over there. Okay, yeah, here's a Crest, a 36-inch Crest ceiling fan. Sorry, this video was kind of short. I didn't want it to break. I didn't want it to blow up. Sorry. Oh, I forgot to show you something. There's the Crest logo. So, yeah. Bye.